P0015B, camshaft position. Timing over retarded bank 1. A code P0015 refers to the VVT, variable valve timing, or VCT, variable camshaft timing components, and the car's PCM, powertrain control module, also called an ECM. That consists of a few different components, but the P0015 DTC specifically refers to the camshaft, cam timing. In this case, if the cam timing is over-retarded, the engine light will be illuminated and the code will be set. Bank NOR1 is the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The B camshaft shall be either the exhaust, right, or rear camshaft. Left, right, and front rear are determined as if viewed from the driver's seating position. The potential symptoms. Most likely a P0015 will result in one of the following. But before I like to remind you that I really appreciate if you like the video and subscribing to the channel, thanks. So back to the potential symptoms. Hard starting, poor idle, and or stalling. There are potentially other symptoms as well. Of course, when trouble codes are set, the MIL, malfunction indicator lamp, aka the check engine light, illuminates. Causes A. P0O15 DTC trouble code may be caused by one or more of the following. Incorrect camshaft timing, wiring problems, harness, wiring, in intake, timing control valve control solenoid system, continuous oil flow to VCT piston chamber, failed timing valve control solenoid, stuck open. The main thing to check is to verify the operation of the VCT solenoid. You're looking for a sticking or stuck VCT solenoid valve caused by contamination. Refer to vehicle-specific repair manual to perform component tests for the VCT unit. Other related DTCs: P0010, P0011, P0012, P0014, P0020, P0021, P0022. Thanks for watching.